Hey guys, I'm back to another Queen Form video. In today's video, I have some pretty enticing news. Like I said, same thing. This is brought to you by bestmvnome.com, guys. And just before we start, I'll let you know that finally I finally got my hands on some phones that I will be doing unboxings and reviews and gaming reviews and all this stuff. So yeah, like I said, new phones are coming out to Boost Mobile. So you'll see in just a little bit that a couple days I ordered just now before I'm making this video. So we'll get more phones finally here in the studio to go ahead and review and unbox and all that stuff. So I've been waiting. Like I said, I was trying to get, well, I'm not going to say which phone it is. That way it kind of keeps the suspense going. But yes, guys, we finally were going to get some more phones. And I'm also thinking of maybe doing giveaways with the phones that I get, just because I have so many phones just laying around. I don't even use them. So I usually just use them for the videos. So we'll see. Let me know in the comments below what you think about that, if I should do giveaways to my subscribers. So they're not bad phones either. So we'll see. So let's get to today's news, guys. It says Boost Mobile or Boost dealers are being told to source unlocked phones, guys. That's usually a big no-no in the cell phone industry. You want to sell your product, or at least your name brand product, instead of selling unlocked phones. Like I said, you usually want to sell the phones that you have in store that are branded and manufactured for your carrier. So, So, if you have Boost Mobile, you'll get phones from Boost Mobile. You have Cricket, you get phones from Cricket. Usually, it's better. Usually, you can get a better deal on unlocked phones if your carrier can use it. So, like I said, let's say you have Boost Mobile. Let's say you have, I don't know, a Xiaomi phone. It's unlocked, but you won't be able to use it on Boost Mobile. This and that. But usually, if you get a Boost Mobile phone, it'll work. Same thing. If you get a Cricket phone, it'll work with Cricket. And Metro by T-Mobile, it'll work with Metro by T-Mobile. So now all of a sudden, especially with them being a GSM network going through T-Mobile, I think this kind of opens more, more choices to get unlocked phones now than just Boost Mobile phones. So let's get into it. I'll keep telling you my thoughts on this. So it says Boost Mobile is now allowing some of the dealers to independently source unlocked phones to sell. So now Boost Mobile is saying, hey, before it was a big no-no. Trust me, you do not want to be a dealer and be selling unlocked phones. Like I said, that's kind of like digging into Boost Mobile's pocket. So it's cool that they're saying it's all right now. It says Wave 7 research has yet to observe this in stores, so they haven't seen this in stores just yet. But like I'm gonna tell you, it's coming. It says, but the firm has confirmed this is taking place through various sources. Like I said, I can't say too much about this stuff. But it says previously unlocked phones have been sold at some stores out of the back room, but now that is true, guys. Let me tell you, when I'm telling you this, is yes, you can. Some dealers were selling unlocked phones in the back or outside or something, not in store. So if people were looking for an unlocked phone and you had one that's compatible with the network, dealers need to make money as well, guys. So that's just some of the secrets for the trade. So like I said, you're gonna make profits some way. So even if you bought the phone unlocked or used, you can always, if you can use it on Boost Mobile's network. There was a limited supply of phones or limited SKUs that you can actually use on Boost Mobile back in the day. I remember people bring me unlocked phones and I'm like, sorry, can't use this thing. But there's also a list of phones that you can. I've made many videos about this a long time ago. But it's saying that Boost is allowing dealers to display the phones openly. So now they're saying, guys, they probably don't want to admit it, but we'll say, hey, you guys, I know you guys would never sell phones, unlocked phones in stores, but now it's saying you can actually have them on display and let people see them. So if you're coming in and you're seeing, which is kind of weird, because let's say you're coming in and you're seeing an unlocked phone that is not sold by Boost Mobile, or it's not, Boost Mobile branded, and you can get an unlocked iPhone 8 or something like that. And you can sell it now on Boost Mobile store. That's pretty cool. Especially, like I said, now that it's going to T-Mobile's network, you can definitely have a bigger variety of phones. So That's pretty ballsy right there, you know. I mean, if you're going to a Boost Mobile store and you see, like I said, an unlocked iPhone 8, and then you see like a jinky little Android phone or something like that, and let's say they have it around the same price, you're definitely going to go with the unlocked variant just because it's unlocked. You can use it with another carrier, and then once you don't like Boost Mobile or anything like that, you want to move to another carrier, your phone's going to be unlocked, so you can take it with you. It says it is not clear why Boost has opted to go to this route. I mean, it's all about that money, really, but they do make a good choice and a good reasoning. It says. But one probable reason is so that Boost does not have to pay to subsidize phones. That's true. But another thing, which everybody has been affected by it, is the chip shortage. So it says reports have been circulating a while now that global chip shortages. Apple's having this issue, and Samsung's having this issue with chips, and also manufacturers with cars like Tesla and stuff like that. It says the shortages are impacting everything from the manufacturer of phones, there you go, TVs, cars, and graphic cards, among many others. Man, let me tell you, if you're trying to get a graphics card right now, or a computer or anything like that, man, that thing's pretty high up there, especially a graphics card. People are spiking those things up. It says this could limit the supply of phones on the market, and maybe the reason why Boost Mobile is telling the dealers to independently source phones. So I think that's a win-win right there, guys. So it's saying that you should independently source phones, and like I said, there is a chip shortage. So this is kind of good because, like I said, the used market on phones is pretty big, I would say, man. There's such a big variety. There's good deals out there. If you can get, especially an unlocked used phone, let's say the phone was $500, now you can get it used for $250 or $200 even. Most people, think about it, how many people upgrade at least once a year? Even though you're not up for an upgrade, a lot of people just want the newest phone, so they'll go ahead and try to sell the old one at a reduced price. So that gives a lot of incentives for us in the used market to go ahead and snatch one up. Like I said, it's a win-win, because the person getting rid of that phone, guys, is getting the new version of the phone. So they know they're gonna have to take maybe a little small loss on it. So they're gonna have to sell it, and a lot of people don't even care about the old phone anymore. And it still could be in really good condition. I've seen a lot of used phones in excellent conditions. They look brand new almost. And like I said, with Boost letting dealers kind of get this own source, I mean, that's gonna make the dealers even more money, because if you can, like I said, if you can find a real cheap phone for $200 and you're gonna flip it for $300, you made an easy $100 right there, and you can use it on Boost Mobile's network, and you're gonna make the customer even happier because you're giving them a deal. Like I said, maybe not $100, maybe you bump it up $50 or whatever it is, but you'll still make profit, and that helps your local dealers and the economy move. So that is pretty good. So that's my 2 cents on that, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this. With Boost Mobile letting dealers sell unlocked phones, is that good news to you? I think it is. But let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. And like I said, a lot more reviews coming your way. I finally got some phones coming in pretty soon, a couple days to the office, so you guys can check it out. So thank you, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you.